day everyone, I'm Coveриnan Morales Torres, Visa ICM intern, introducing the 10 commandments of safety driving. Number 1, I will not drive when drunk, nor thirsty or fatigue. Number 2, I will not pass without care on curbs, not held nor the abuse in wind by my eyes. Number 3, I will not violate speed laws nor exceed speed limits. Number 4, I will do not disobey highway signs and traffic signals. Number 5, I do not make a twice without signal my intentions. I do not accelerate my speed at school, playground, and hospital and other dangerous zones. Number 7, I will not be careless when crossing at intersections. Number 8, I do not leave my headlights on approaching cars at nights. Number 9, I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. Number 10, I will be courteous and respectful of nights of every drives and pedestrian. Number 1, you shall not gaze at typhoon. Number 2, you shall not throw trash out of the window. Number 3, thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. Number 4, thou shalt not take it any chance. Number 5, thou shalt buckle up the kids. Number 6, thou shalt not drive or tie bride. Number 7, thou shalt not drive on the bride. Number 8, thou shalt not adhere to the speed limit. Number 9, thou shalt not keep the distance. Number 10, thou shalt practice patience. Number 1, keep right. Number 2, observe road courtesy. Number 3, prohibited parking. Number 4, if in double, do not overtake. Number 5, the bus stop rule lining up on the bus stop zone. Number 6, rule to prevent or untackled traffic zone. Number 7, observe traffic management measure. Number 8, the philosophy of Pinoy drive first come first served vehicle.
Yeah.
Number 9, on pedestrian. Number 10, remember the information drive safety reminders.